Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to change the font style and font size in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here. So to say about the font style and font size, it is available here under the Home tab in the font panel over here. This one is the font style and this one is the font size. So let us try each of them. But before you can try these options, you have to select the data to which you want to apply the font size or font style. So I'll select these data here. You can select a single cell or multiple cells by dragging over the cells using the left mouse button. Got it? And now come to the font style here. Click on this arrow. So you will see many different options here. As you move your cursor on each of these, you will see a preview so that you can decide which one you like. Maybe I like this one. I click on it. You can see the difference, right? How this is different from these other columns. So in the same way, you can try different styles here. Got it? There are many, so many of them. So just go through them. Now let us try the font size. So by default, the font size will be 11 in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to change it, means you need to select the cells. Again, you can select a single cell or multiple cells. And I'll go to this arrow here. As you go with the bigger font size, the cell sizes will also increase. Just remember that. I'll maybe go with 12 or 14. Okay, so got it right. You can try these different options from here. I mean the different sizes from here. And do check out the different font styles from here. So I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.